This chocolate pistachio dream cake is stacked for impressive bite. Pagsasamahin ng asukal, harina, cocoa powder, baking soda at asin. Make a little well in the center at idagdag ang itlog, gatas, oil, at vanilla extract. Give that a mix at ibuhos ng mainit na tubig. Pour into a greased tin and bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until toothpick comes out clean. I-toast ang kataifi sa butter until golden, tapos ihalo ang pistachio cream. Now, onto the chocolate mousse. Kailangan lang natin ng chilled NESTLÉ All Purpose Cream. Since gawa ito sa pure milk fat, kayang-kaya nito mag-whip in just 2 minutes. Assemble time! Ilagay ang crunchy pistachio kataifi sa ibabaw ng cake, ibuhos ang chocolate mousse, and chill until firm. Once it's set, pour melted chocolate over, sprinkle with chopped pistachio at ibalik sa fridge. Gawa tayo ng pistachio cream sauce. In a small pot over low heat, combine lang natin ang NESTLÉ All Purpose Cream and pistachio sauce. Going impressive ang sarap with NESTLÉ All Purpose Cream. Follow us for more recipes.